Meaning of foul ball.
Foul ball.
Foul ball.
Foul ball.
Foul ball. In baseball, a foul ball refers to a batted ball that lands outside the foul lines. If a player hits a foul ball, it is considered a strike, but the ball is not in play and the runners cannot advance. The count on the batter continues, unless the foul ball is caught for an out. Foul balls can also be caught for outs if they are hit high enough in the air and caught by a fielder before landing. Overall, a foul ball does not result in any runs or other significant changes in the game.